Assalamu alaikum students. As you know, we have learnt divisibility rule from 2 to 9 in our previous lectures, but we left the divisibility rule of 7. So, in our today's mathematics lecture, we will learn divisibility rule for 7. To check whether the number is divisible by 7 or not, we will follow the 3 steps. The first step is we will double the last digits of the given number. Second step is subtract this number from the remaining digits. The third step is if the answer is equal to 0 or divisible by 7, then the given number is divisible by 7. Let's take an example, 455. Now follow the 3 steps. First, check the last digit of the number. The last digit is 5. What is the last digit? The last digit is 5. Now we need to double the last digit. So, to double the last digit 5, we will multiply 5 with 2. 5 multiplied 2 is 10. Now, follow the second step. Now we need to subtract the answer 10 from the remaining digits. What are the remaining digits? Students, the remaining digits are 4 and 5, which make 45. So, we need to subtract 10 from 45. When we subtract 10 from 45, we get 45 minus 10, 35. So, if the answer is equal to 0 or divisible by 7, then the number must divisible by 7. We can see that our answer is 35 and it is divisible by 7. So, the given number 455 is also divisible by 7. Now, let's take another example. 151. So, to check whether this number 151 is divisible by 7 or not, we will follow the 3 steps. The first step is we will check the last digit. The last digit is 1 and we will double the last digit. So, to double the last digit 1, we will multiply 1 with 2 and the answer is 2. Now, subtract this number 2 with the remaining digit 1 and 5, which makes 15. So, subtract the 2 from 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. And we know that this answer is not divisible by 7. 13 is not divisible by 7. So, the given number 151 is also not divisible by 7. Let's check another example. 147. Now, we will apply the divisibility rule of 7 on it. We will double the last digit 2. We will double the last digit 7. So, to double it, we will multiply 7 with 2. 7 2s are 14. 7 multiplied 2 is 14. Now we subtract the 14 from the remaining digits 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. Now, if the answer is 0, then the number is also divisible by 7. So, the given number 147 is divisible by 7. Now, let's try another number, 9681. To check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not, we will double the last digit. Our last digit is 1. Now, we will multiply 1 with 2 and we get the answer 2. Now, we subtract this 2 from the remaining digit 968. When we subtract the 2 from 968, we get the answer 966. So, this is the bigger number. We can't tell that this is divisible by 7 or not. So, again we will apply divisibility rule of 7 here. We will check 906 is divisible by 7 or not. We will apply the divisibility rule of 7 again. So, we will check our last digit. Our last digit here is 6. Now, we will double the last digit. We will multiply 6 with 2. 6 2s are 12. Now, we subtract the answer 12 from the remaining digits 96. 96 minus 12 is 84. Now we know that this 84 is divisible by 7. So the number 9681 is divisible by 7. So students, this is the end of our video. I hope you have learned the divisibility rule by 7. In our next lecture, we will learn divisibility rule by 10 and 11. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.